Special warplane. Scotland, Fort William. Showery weather forecast, UK 24. You can hear it in the background, you can't see it, it goes very fast. This is Scribe, Michelle and Sunday James on the Force, Speedy always. This is my friend Sparky and Jim every Friday, 3 to 5 p.m, ITF Friday thing, sorry, Hills Ratio every Friday. And this is my friend Joel last every Sunday at 9 to 12 p.m. live on the Waking Ratio. And this is my friend Joel last every Sunday at 9 to 12 p.m. live on the Waking Ratio every Sunday. It's coming back this way, guys. You can hear it. Going around the mountains at Ben Menace at the moment. Which is up here, this is Ben Menace. I'm not joking. It's on the other side of the mountain at the moment. They're up there, these warplanes. They're up there. Practicing to take on MiGs from Russia. Jesus Christ, Michelle and Sunday Germans. That's much video. Bye, everyone.